Alright, I haven't been into Walmart to check out that yarn in a while. They got a mandolin cap here. $5.37. I wonder if they got new colors. There's a mandel sparkle. It's pretty. I haven't kept track of the mandals in a while. I don't know if that one's new. I know this one isn't. And I know this one isn't. That one possibly could be, and it's very pretty. Those aren't new. Mandala babies. Is this what they are? I know this one isn't new. I don't know if any of these are new, actually. I know this one isn't. Acre Woods. That's pretty. We got down here. Regular mandalas. I don't think these are new colors. Like I said, I haven't been, no, that's troll. Keeping up with the mandala line, and no, it's not new. I bet my Walmart's went downhill. I haven't been here in a while. Oh my. Let's see what yarn cost here. So the mainstay is $2.98. I remember when that stuff was like $1.47 maybe. $1.98, $1.88, I can't remember. Red Heart's gone up, $3.77. Yeah. Big ones are $7.47. What is it at your Walmart? Let me know. I'm interested. Let me know in the comments. It's pretty. What's this? This is Bernat. Yeah, Bernat Baby Sport. Pass that up. Too thin for me. Well, they ain't got much care on Simply Soft here. This is it. 2 colors, 3 colors. Went up to $3.67. Wow. White too. Oh man, my Walmart's bad. Bad, 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 bad. A lot of mandala ombres. $7.48. Yeah, I do see an increase in price. I've always liked this color. I remember when I was 10 years old, and this was always one of my favorite colors of Red Heart. But I hate, or I don't really like Bagoday anymore, so I don't buy it. But mixing it with black would probably be pretty. I might get that. I think this one's really pretty too. But I have this one at home. Color of it, the Starburst print. There's our neon. Or black light. Is that what it's called? Yeah. I do like their ombres, but I have those at home too. I don't need any of those. Let's see. Collar block. Collar block's interesting. Creates that look there. One of my favorite of the stripes is the latte. I got one here. I don't need it anyways. I think I have some. Walmart, come on now. You got any clearance? This stuff's rollback was $3.97. Now it's $3.42, huh? I'm gonna have to check out their clearance section. Maybe they had some big clearance thing. That's why these shelves are empty. I doubt it, but you know what? I don't really see anything new here since the last time I've been here, which was a while ago, other than the prices being more. Look at these. These are small. Were these always this small? What's the yardage on these things? Wow, I don't remember these being this little. Maybe they're just wound really tight. 102 yards for $1.97. The big ones up here, I think, are better. $1. Yeah, 77 for a little bit more yardage. 120 yards, I guess not that much more. That's crazy right there. That's just what price you have to pay though. Oh wow, them cones really went up. They used to be, last time I saw they were 6 something. It's been a while though since I think last time I saw they were 6 something. I wish they'd come out with some new colors of mandala ombre. Just to get the same colors all the time. It's the same. Come out with something new, Lion brand. I mean, their colors are pretty, but some new ones would be nice. Kaboo. Same old colors like Kaboo. I like Kaboo though. I do like Kaboo. That mandala sparkle is really pretty. This color here. It's tempting me, but I don't need it. And I'm not gonna get it. I like Walmart's is more than it used to be, but their cotton is really nice. Their mainstay brand. And so is their anti-peeling up here. This is nice. It's just as good as any other anti-peeling yarn on the market, and it's less expensive. Same as their cotton. Their cotton is actually better than the peaches and cream. I mean, like by 100%, it feels better. I like it. The only downfall with the mainstay yarns is they just don't have a lot of color selection in them. Other than that, I mean, I think they're not. I mean, they're pretty nice yarns for the price that they asked for them. Well, I guess that's it. Oh, my favorite, Scrubby. Even if you're brown, you're not even tempting me. Scrubby's my least favorite yarn. See if we have anything out here on the end cap. Nothing. Nothing. Well, that's it in the watch. That's it for the yarn. How exciting a trip is that? I guess I'll check the clearance section out real quick. I do like to look at their buttons. Oh my goodness. That's cute. That'd look cute on a dress for Evelyn. All right. Okay. Eric said there's nothing in the clearance aisle, so no yarn.
No yarn.